How to make apps that's going to make you money every single day. Christopher Wilson, and in this training, and this is an exciting time for you all because you're going to publish your first app on the Google Play Store. Yes, finally. Okay. Now in this video, it's pretty self-explanatory. As I just said, you're going to learn how to upload your Android app on the Google Play Store and publish your app on the Google Play Store. Okay? Now, a few things I want to share with you first. Well, I tell you what, I'm going to share these as I go along in the video. But it's just some things to remember. When you upload your app to the Google Play Store, really all you need is like 2 screenshots. Okay? You don't have to upload all your screenshots because what we want to do is just basically just get or kind of like put up a practice app. Okay? So there's no need in uploading all your screenshots because what happens sometimes, Google will see something in a particular screenshot and, you know, they won't approve your app. Okay? I'm telling you just like it is. I'm being transparent about it. So I want you to achieve success in this thing. So, you know, when you upload your app, just put like 2 screenshots. That's about it. Okay? For your description, just use the short version of your description. Okay? Maybe like 2 to 5 sentences. Okay? And, you know, once you got that up, you know, 2 to 5 sentences, that's all you need. Because like I said before, we just want to get our app up. Sometimes what Google Play does, and see, you know, they're so funny about things. You know, you want to have a whole a long drawn up description, and they end up, you know, not approving it for one reason or another. They'll say you can't use this in your description and so forth. So, you know, just to start off, just 2 or 3 sentences. Okay, word to the wise. Okay, and a lot of, you know, these so-called app courses, they don't tell you that. You know, I'm going to tell you the real. Okay, I've been doing mine, and I know. Okay. Point number 3, I want to say, just don't get frustrated. You know, they may not approve your app for some reason or another. You know, just address the issue and push forward. Okay. Now, going back to the description, if you use the description that I give you, you know, that's pretty much, you know, cut and dry. There's no discrepancies in that. There's nothing, you know, about that. You know, another thing, and I did point this out earlier in a few other trainings, you know, do not load your description with keywords. Especially don't, you know, put keywords with commas at the bottom of your description. Don't do that. Okay? Let's see what else. On your bills, you know, label your bills so you know what you got going on. Very important. You know, you don't want to keep building it over and over and over again. And, you know, you don't know which bill has what ad networks in it and so forth. You know, be specific when you label your bills. Okay? And with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and show you a few things. But in this description, you're going to see the link to go ahead and start to set up your Google Play account. And it's going to look something like this right here. Okay? Now, you can use the email that you already have, or you can make a new email. It's up to you. You know, you may want to make an email to where it's favorite towards app building. Okay, I'm the mogul@gmail.com, but you know, you may want to do it like that. You may want to be secretive. You know, put numbers for your email account. But you're gonna need a Gmail account to set up, you know, everything. So it kind of looks like this going, and really, you know, with that, you know, just basically, you know, that's it. It gives you the option of a different developer account or create a new account. Like I said before, you could create a Google account just for your apps. Okay, it's $25 for your Google Play account, but I want you all to get started with the least amount of money possible, which is why we're using Andromo. You got the free 14-day trial, you good. You don't have to pay anything. And then Andromo is what, $8 a month Or if you pay, you know, for the entire year, $96. Can't beat that. And I'm going to show you everything I know. Okay? So with that being said, let me see if there's anything else I'm leaving behind. Oh, and after you set up your Google Play account, in the next following video, we're probably going to set up our Amazon developer account. Okay? And that's pretty much self-explanatory, you know. But let's not get too far ahead. Let's go to Google Play first. Now, if you try to set up your Google Play account on your Chrome and it doesn't work, try Firefox, which I'm on now. And, you know, my dilemma is I have my account suspended, so I have no dog in this fight. And it's just like when Moses told Caleb, you know, I'm not going to the promised land with you, but here's the map to the promised land. So, with that being said, y'all, you know, wish you much success. You got your app up and going. Congratulations. And, oh, one other thing. I'm sorry. One other thing. You know, even if you just make one app, you know, get good at that one app. You know, be resourceful. Find resources to make that stunning icon. Okay? And I have a few. I'm going to share them with you a little later, but that's going to be an advanced training. But, you know, make those stunning screenshots. And, you know, just go to Google Play and look at those images. Look at the icons, look at the screenshots and so forth. And, you know, take notes from them. You know, Google some stuff. How to make an app screenshot. How to make an app icon and so forth. So, with that being said, a link. What you're going to do is you're going to see a video, a link to a video that's going to show you exactly how to set it up, and just follow that to the letter. Okay? You shouldn't have any problems. Okay? And those videos, basically, well, I can show you what the videos will look like. Okay? One of them is going to look like, that's Amazon, but one of them is going to have two parts. It's going to have two parts to upload your app to the Google Play Store. Okay? And this is an unlisted video. So, you know, not anybody can view this. Only you. But, you know, it's going to, you know, have a description in it. And if you didn't start to set up your account before, you can do it again right here. Okay? So, with that being, message me through YouTube and let me know if you got your app up. You know, let me know your progress and things. I would like to know. And I said that before, you know. Because I want to see you make $16,000 a month. Because it's possible. I did it. So, with that being said, I'll see you later. Take care. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what's going on. And I'll see you in the next video.